All right, today we're going to bring a basketball court. Everything you see is included. Make sure you have the instructions. Also, in the box, you have a barcode for the instructions installation guide. All right, you could download the PDF or you could watch a video. Now, included with it, piece by piece, tools are included, but you can provide your own. This is pretty much what you get. Make sure to follow instructions when to add the water. These are the extra posts. We're going to put it together and see how it works. All right, so we've done the first step. If you guys can see, we haven't set up the water yet because you got to make sure you stabilize these first. Make sure you get everything's well marked, so it's taking us no time to put it together. All right, we just finished with the actual backing of it. All right, we filled up the water on it, put the protector, set up the first layer on it. We're gonna set up the net in a bit, but this part is the hardest part, putting the actual brace for replacing to set up the levels. All right, so we're going to set that up. The part that I had problem was figuring out how the pole is going to go in. This is inside, that's inside, this is inside. The longer part goes down, shorter part here. You guys can see it. So we got the final product already. We set it up to 10 feet high. This is the base itself. You could add water or sand on here. You got the adjustable handle here. You let it go slowly, level by level. Then you can bring it all the way down, let it go. It locks in place automatically. My recommendation is when you get this, you could put oil on here to make it easier for the kids and for yourself. Out of the box, there's not included, but add oil here or some sort of lubricant. And all you gotta do is hold the button, bring it down, and that's it. Just is very simple. All right, we live in an age where kids are in their iPad, their iPhones pretty much every day. Now, this is a perfect way to get them out. Just get them out and start playing basketball, shooting, get some fresh air. Assembly, it took about an hour and a half for me and two other people putting it together. Instructions was very thorough, very easy instructions. Everything's well labeled. Don't require any tools. All the tools are included in the box, also labeled. Option for this, you can have water or sand. Pole has different degrees of feet, if you guys can see that, elevation. So we're gonna set it up right now to 8 feet or lower, or the first one. And it's just a matter of a trigger here, letting it out. My recommendation, like I said, lubrication here on the other side too. Make it things easier for kids to pick up on their own. The weight is not that much. The backboard is plastic. It can also be replaced. They give you 2 nets, all the tools necessary that you need. All right, so we're gonna raise it to 10 feet so you guys can see the elevation. That's 10 feet for where I stand right there. So we're gonna bring it to the lowest. That's the lowest right there. It could go a little bit lower too. You just let it go all the way without any hooks. All right, so the good thing about it, they give you the springs here in case you're gonna be dunking or hanging on the court, you don't break the back end. They give you the springs. If you guys can see, the lower ones, the smaller ones go in the bottom, the larger one go on the top. And fasten it a little tight, not too tight, enough for the springs to come back, because when you hang on it, it bounces back to normal, back in shape. So that's a good thing to do.